Hello everyone, this is Harsh and today we are going to learn how to get the ETF details like open, high, low, volume using Alpha Vintage API. So now without wasting the time, let's get started. Let's first see the UI. Here I have added 4 columns for open, high, low and volume. To get this detail we need the symbol because the API will take the symbol and it will return the open, high, low and volume of that symbol. So now let's see what is that API. Here I have saved the response of this symbol and underlying API to the file using write to CSV method. Here I have added the method write to CSV, so it will write the CSV response as CSV file to stock.csv. So how to write to the CSV file? So here we have to create the object of stream writer and provide the path for the CSV file. Then create the object of CSV writer which will take this stream writer and some configuration we can do here. And after that, as it is string, so we will split this string by new line, means we will split with /r/n. Okay, so now we will get the array of string. Okay, every array will have comma separated string, so every comma separated string consider as column, so we will split with comma and then iterate through this array and write to the field. Okay, so it will write in first column, second column, like that. How many columns are there, it will add the column, and then after adding all the column we will go to the next record and then again we will do the same thing to write to the CSV file. Okay, this is how I have written this content to CSV file. Okay, as it is demo API, so there is some limitation, that's why I already written to the CSV file. So now from that response only we are taking the detail because I don't want to hit that API again and again because there is some limitation for that API to get the response. And here I am using free API key, that's why we can't hit multiple time this API. So I store to the CSV file and read from here, and from this CSV I want to get the ETF asset type and the NIFTY symbol. Okay, and then here in load exchange traded fund we are calling get live detail. So here we can call this API with the symbol and with the demo API key it will return the response which will contain open, low, high and volume. Here also I have saved this response in the JSON file, and here I will read that JSON file based on the symbol, and then we will deserialize the JSON, and then from there we will get that open, high, low and volume. So now let's see. Okay, here you can see symbol INDF and underlying asset, and for that open price, high, low and the volume of this symbol. This is how we can get the open, high, low and volume of that particular ETF. So I hope you learn how to write data to CSV file, and also you have learned how to get open, high, low and volume using the Alpha Vintage API. If you found this video helpful, let's share with your friends.